Welcome everybody to the trade of the day for the 30th of the 5th, 2019. And today I want to show you a trade that closed out yesterday for a total of 40 pips that took place on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar pairing. So let's dive straight into it. As you can see here, we've got a massive green circle in the middle of the page. This is a key indicator in one of the strategies we use here in our end of day strategy. The idea is we plant these sniper circles when the indicators and the mathematics behind it works out correctly. And it's a key indicator of a bullish uptrend. And the idea is that regardless of how the market has performed recently, we're expecting it to go up in price for a certain period of time. The amount of time we expect this trend to hold depends on the market conditions around that particular time. So we're looking at the vector average here, and this is telling us again that it's in a bullish position. It's preparing to have a little bit of an upburst. And on the left-hand side, we have the weekly and the monthly indicators. In this particular case, they're both red and they're downwards arrows. And this is telling us that over the last week and month, we've seen a downwards bearish trend in the market. And as you can see, if we zoom out, this is about 2017, give or take a couple of fluctuations, it has been in an overall downwards trend. Obviously, as these markets fall, we don't expect that they're going to go smoothly and continuously. We expect a little bit of a bounce within what's called a price channel. As you can see, bouncing up, bouncing down, and this is basically what we're trying to capitalize on. We're trying to get in, take a reasonable sum of pips, but not overexpose ourselves to the risks that come with going against the grain of the recent trend. So once you've identified the candle like this, you go to your trade mate function, click entry candlestick and select the candlestick that the indicator is placed on. There's a couple of little settings we might need to change here. The indicator is automatically selected. It's already on the page, and it's trend signal D1. That is the name of the end of day strategy there. The strategy is against the trend. As I mentioned, it's bullish, but the weekly and the monthly indicators are telling us that we're in a bearish market. We're going to go long. The ATR is automatically put in there for you. And as for the broker, you can choose this yourself later on, but for now we'll leave it standard just to make it a little bit easier. Enter the size of your account so that you can calculate the amount you should be risking on any individual trade and calculate your trade details. It calculates your stop losses, your take profits, and the stake that you should be using per point. So if we look at where it closed out using the C value here, we can see it closed out at 0.93072 and the take profit is 0.93472. What this is telling you is that you should be looking to make about 40 pips safely and then escape that trade and let the market take its normal direction. And as you can see, we close this out on the 29th, and I'm looking for 0.93472, which is just about here, which is close to the top of that daily candle. Now, today, it has continued that trend, but we could expect a reversal quite soon. So the idea is we've taken a profit, we're holding on to it, and then we'll get back into it once we expect it to change its direction. If you want to see a little bit more about the style of trading we do here at Trend Signal and see some more trades like this, we do host 3 weekly webinars where we show you some live charts and go through all the basics there. That's Tuesday and Friday, 12:30, or a Wednesday, 7 p.m. That's standard UK time there. Hope to see you soon.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.